People are making millions of dollars from the FOMO trading app, which has taken the crypto space by storm. It has completely revived the meme coin trenches, and as you can see, people are making loads of money from it. This is the weekly volume from the FOMO app, and as you can see, it has like 10x in the last few weeks, mainly because the Robinhood chain has become massive for meme coins as well, and FOMO is the perfect place to trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways for you to copy trade all of these profitable traders, because if people like this guy is making $1 million in the last 30 days, then technically if you would be able to copy exactly what he does, you would also be making some really decent gains. So the FOMO platform itself does not have integrated automatic copy trading. They might add this in the future, who knows? But for now, there's really two different ways that you can copy trade these people. The second way probably being better, but a bit more advanced. So I'm going to quickly show you both ways so that you can do this for yourself and hopefully make some good money. If you have not signed up to FOMO, it's basically where everything is happening. Volume is exploding. Coins are running to millions of dollars in market cap every single day, and people are making thousands. So if you haven't signed up, it would help support me and yourself if you use my link down below in the description, because you will get 10% less fees on every single trade. And if you're not familiar with the platform, go check out my previous video where I did a full walkthrough of the platform and how you can actually use it and get started with it. But essentially, this is what the FOMO homepage looks like. And just quickly, the biggest benefits of FOMO is that as long as you deposit cash, you can deposit USDC on any chain. As long as you have that in your cash balance, you can trade tokens on any chain without having to bridge them back and forth between the chains. Because as you can tell, some of these tokens launch on Robinhood chain, some launch on Binance Smart Chain, while others launch on Solana. So normally you would have to bridge back and forth, but because of how FOMO has built this app, they make it so easy to trade any token across any chain as long as you have some cash in your balance. And that is also one of the issues when it comes to copy trading, because people are obviously trading tokens across chains, while most copy trading bots are specifically built for a single chain. So that's essentially what makes copy trading a bit more complicated when it comes to FOMO. But the first method, and the most simple method, is to essentially find traders that you like on this platform. You have this leaderboard on the 7 and 30 day. You can see the top 100 traders on the 7 day, the 30 day, and 24 hours. I recommend you to use the 24 hours because here you have some new people entering every day, and you get more different wallets every single day, meaning you can analyze 50 to 100 wallets every day and add new people if you find some good traders. And if I click onto any of these traders, you can see his portfolio in the last 24 hours. You can see that he's been doing pretty well, up $14,000 in the last 24 hours. But you obviously also want to check how he's been doing in the last 7 days. And as you can see, he's been doing pretty well in the last 7 days too, and also pretty well in the last 30 days. While if you look into some other traders, they might have been doing well in the last 24 hours, but in the last 30 days, they have not done as well. So you obviously want to look for people who are pretty consistent over time. Here you get the information on the average hold time. So this guy averagely holds the token for 6 days, which is a good amount. I don't personally like to copy people who only hold tokens for like 10 minutes. Because it's just too short in my opinion. I want traders who hold the tokens for at least like 5 hours to like a few days at a time. You also have information on his best trades, his active and closed positions, and all of the last trades he have been doing. Now this guy, as you can see, have not made any transactions in the last 4 days. So maybe I wouldn't copy this guy, because I obviously want people who trade actively every day, at least make a few trades a day. For example, this guy has an average hold time of just over 2 days. He does make a few trades every single day, which is a good sign. So let's say I wanted to copy this guy. All you need to do is click follow, and this account will then show up in your alerts. Here you can see anything that the people you follow actually posts and buys, and you get notifications whenever they actually buy something. So another great thing with FOMO is that they have an incredible mobile app, which is connected to obviously the same account as the web application. So they have a great interface on their phone application, but basically on the web app, I get sound notifications whenever any of the people I'm following buys into a token. Like for example, here I got a notification notification 26 minutes ago that Aurelius bought into this Stonk token. And I also got that notification directly on my phone. And because the people I'm following holds all of their tokens for at least a few days or a few hours, it doesn't really make a big difference if I get into a token like a minute after them. Theoretically, that won't make a big deal on like my entry compared to his entry and the end profits. While if you were to copy people who holds the token for 10 minutes, you probably want to get in only a few seconds after for it to actually be worth it. Because if you get in 2 minutes after him, then that might be a completely different trade than what he got into. So that is pretty straightforward and the easiest way to basically copy trade good traders. Research wallets every single day from the 24-hour leaderboard. If people look promising and ideally have less than like 1,000 or 2,000 followers, like this guy only has 160 followers, meaning not many people are copying him, most likely, because if too many people are copying the same person, then it will probably be hard for you to actually make decent gains. But if you find good traders with not so many followers that you can copy trade, then just click follow and you will get alerted anytime they buy into a token, and you can then just click into the same token and easily make a transaction and buy into that same token. But the second method for how to actually copy trade traders on FOMO is to actually use a copy trading bot, which does this automatically. Now it's a bit more advanced because, like I said, copy trading bots are built specifically for certain chains and they might not work like across chains like FOMO does. But obviously the benefit is that it's automatic, so as soon as the person you're copying buys something, you will copy his entry at the same exact second and get the exact same entry. And to show you how you actually could do this, if you find a good wallet, for example, this Logan guy, let's say I want to actually set up a copy trading bot for him. First of all, I need to figure out what chain he mainly trades on. Katana is on Solana. This social token is Solana. This one is BNB Train. Bist is Solana. Bullish is Solana. Serious Cat is Robinhood. Froggy is on Solana. So he mainly trades on Solana. So what I can do is actually set up a copy trading bot on Solana to copy all of his Solana trades. Now, it won't copy all of his other trades, but he mainly does trade on Solana and has been very profitable on Solana, so that should still work fine. Now, the other issue is because FOMO trades across chains, it doesn't actually give you the specific wallets that these people are using to trade with, so you need to actually find the specific transaction. So, for example, this guy, I see that he sold Bist token 1 hour ago for $618. So I can just copy the contract to this token. I can go into a different platform like Axiom or Terminal or Padre. I can search up the actual token. Here you have all the transactions. I can go to filters. I have already done this, but just go to filter and enter minimum transaction filter of, let's say, 400. Here I can see all of the transactions that have been made on this token for over $400. And I can easily find the transaction right here. This is his sell transaction for $618 1 hour ago. And you can even see that this was done on the FOMO app. So you can easily tell that this is the correct transaction. And you can then click on to this guy. And just based on this trade history, you can see that this is obviously the same person trading Katana, Social, Best, Bullish. But this obviously only shows his Solana trades. But that's great because now I have his actual Solana wallet. I can copy that wallet, go into a copy trading bot like TradeWiz. I have talked about TradeWiz many times before in this past year because it is the best copy trading bot when it comes to copying meme coin traders. It has same block execution, so you get the same exact entry. You can easily set up a copy trading task. Just go to add task or add copy. You don't need to care about most of these things. It seems complicated. It's not that bad. You just do a tag, which is the name of the task. So in this case, his name is Logan. So I'm just going to name this task for Logan FOMO. You then just enter your target wallet. So here you just paste in the wallet you just found. You then have the buy percentage because this guy obviously trades for hundreds of dollars. I can't copy that because right now on my TradeWiz account, I only have $70. What I can do is put copy percentage to, for example, 5%. So if he buys for $100, I will copy him for $5. So obviously you want to put this percentage based on your own portfolio compared to the person you are trading. And those are really all of the settings you need to worry about. If you want to go into detail, there are a lot more things you can choose to do, like max buy amounts, minimum buy amounts, buy limits per token. You have the buy and sell slippage, which you can change obviously, but the settings I showed you are the main ones. And then you just click create, and you are now copying all of Logan's trades that he does on the Solana chain. Now, TradeWiz just a few weeks ago did actually also launch their own web app where you can copy trade people on the Robinhood chain. So if you want a full in-depth video on how to use their web app to copy trade Robinhood meme coin traders from FOMO or other platforms, let me know and I can make that next. But those are essentially the two best ways to copy trade people on FOMO. For most people, the first method is fine, but for more serious traders who want to actually get same block execution, get the same exact entry, and take this more seriously, then the second method is obviously the better choice. And you can set up a specific task for Solana. You can then use their web app to set up a different task for the same guy for Robinhood. And then you're all of a sudden copying all of his Solana trades and all of his Robinhood trades. But when it comes to copy trading, the most important thing is mainly just that you actually spend enough time researching different wallets so that you find the best ones to follow and copy. Because if you have a bunch of rubbish, bad traders that you're following and copying, then obviously you won't make any gains either. And if you're only following these top guys who has like 200,000 followers, you can bet that there are hundreds, if not thousands of other people also copying all of their trades, which will make it very hard for you to make any gains with this strategy. It is obviously a bit limiting that you can only see the top 100 traders, but that is why I prefer using the 24 hours. At least you will get new fresh traders every single day. But another good strategy you can use is actually click on to any of these tokens, because here you can see all of the live swaps going on. So here you can easily just hover over any profile and find more underrated people. Obviously this guy has 5 followers, but he's down $1,500 in the last 7 days, so I'm not gonna copy him. While this guy has a $600 portfolio, he's up $170 in the last 7 days, which is not bad at all. So I can actually go into this profile. He only has 1 follower, but since he started trading, he's actually been performing really well. So this is a super under the radar wallet that I can now copy trade. So I hope this all made sense. If you have any questions, do let me know down below in the comment section or ask in my Telegram. Like I said, the links to FOMO, but also to TradeWiz and the terminal trading app are all down below. You do get 10% less fees on all of those platforms if you sign up using a referral link, and it would support me if you use mine down below, so would highly appreciate that. Let me know what you want to see next on the channel. If you want to see more FOMO content or copy trading content or anything else, just let me know and I will make sure to make that next. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.